Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I am here with Julie today from TSET, as well as Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. Thank you ladies for joining us. And fall is upon us, so what is better than some quick breads with some coffee or a snack? So tell us what recipe we're doing.
So we are going to do a pumpkin spice bread, right?
Okay.
So I'm going to mix together all of the dry ingredients in one bowl, the wet ingredients in another bowl, and then I'm going to fold them together.
Okay, and while she's doing that, tell us a little bit about TSET if people aren't aware.
Sure, we are the Tobacco Settlement Endowment Trust. We are a state agency that makes grants for health, to promote health, and one of our programs is Shape Your Future. And what that program really does is help to give families, schools, resources to have healthier meals, fantastic treat where you can give your family a comfort food, but also, you know, cut out some of the sugar and add some fiber. You've got some great seeds. So what does Chef Val say about all that?
What do you think?
So what we have in this bowl here is oat flour. So this is actually a gluten-free bread. Yeah. And then we have some leavener, baking powder, baking soda, and then our pumpkin spice seasonings, right? So cinnamon, ginger,
I mean, that alone
nutmeg.
just screams fall.
Right. And then we have a cup of canned pumpkin, eggs, a little bit of neutral oil like a canola oil, or you could use an avocado oil, even olive oil would be great. A little bit of milk. And so anytime you're making a quick bread, you want to mix up your dry ingredients and then fold in your wet ingredients. And you don't want to overmix because that is what can make it tough when you're eating it.
So folding being for people that may not be aware of what that is, tell us what folding is.
Okay, instead of going crazy and stirring it like this, we're going to actually
Turn it
slowly, kind of deal. Okay.
So bring the ingredients that are on the bottom of the bowl to the top.
Okay.
We're just going to continue to do that. And then when this is all nicely incorporated, then whoops, just got a little on your pants there.
That's
All right. I'm here for it.
We're in the kitchen.
That's right. That's right.
And I like that this can be an option for, and I love this with TSET and this whole plan too, is like it can be familiar foods, but you're just switching some things up, just little things here and there that are going to be a healthier alternative.
Absolutely, and it's a way to kind of add fiber, add some healthier ingredients, and your kids will still love it, and the house will smell great while you're baking.
I know,
it.
right. Forget the candle, go with the
And
bread.
as you said, great snack, great breakfast, great send it in your lunch for a little extra nutrition and fiber.
And pumpkin is so versatile in that way.
Yeah. So once we get this all smoothed in here, this is totally optional, but you could add some pepitas or pumpkin seeds, and then this just goes into the oven to bake.
Perfect. And how long?
About 40 minutes, I think.
Okay.
On the website.
So like a quick bread in general kind of thing.
Right.
So, okay, perfect. And so I think we get to try it now, right?
Yes, please do.
Yeah.
All right, let's have at it.
Okay.
Because, I mean, we have to have our pumpkin.
It's fall.
Oh yes, you definitely get to taste the pumpkin and the spice, and you feel like all things nice.
Right.
I have a pumpkin, a jack-o'-lantern.
Exactly. If you guys want to learn more about this recipe, as well as any other recipes on the website, go ahead to kjrh.com.